Hi guys, PJ here. Today I am working on a 2012 Fiat 500. This is a really short video because I'm just going to show you how to remove the factory fitted radio. Very simple job to do, just not very obvious when you look at the radio itself. First thing you're going to need is a plastic leverage tool or something soft, nothing metal. If you use metal you're going to damage the plastic trim, you don't really want to do that. And what we're going to be doing is looking at this top corner here, you got like a blank area. And we're going to pop this cover, whoops, drop it on the floor like that so you never find it again, not advisable. You'll notice a little hole behind it. We're then going to do the same with the lower one, quite fiddly. Come here. You do get stuck in the hole, which is quite annoying. Like I say, make sure you use a plastic leverage tool. So you do that, pop them off, go across to the other side, and pop those off as well. And then you're going to insert one of these release keys, which is a normal release key available from all car shops, Amazon, eBay, they're not dear, sort of £1 a pair. Pop them into the holes like so. You'll hear it click like that. Put one in the other side and basically spread them, push them apart very slightly and then pull. Once you've done the initial pulling, sometimes they can stick so it'll go with a bit of a clunk. Pull it forward. I've covered the gear knob over with a rag here because you don't want to scratch it. The back of the radio is steel after all. And there's your normal ISO connectors on the end, aerial connector. You just pull the aerial connector and it will come straight off. These little ones here have got little plastic tabs on the edge there that you can see. Squeeze those and pull to remove the cabling. Just pop that back in there until I've got both hands free. And that, guys, is how you remove the radio from a Fiat 500. Like I say, nice quick video. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now.